Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. Floor leaders of the opposition bloc, the India National Development Inclusive Alliance, the India Alliance, will meet today at Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence following the announcement of K. Suresh as their candidate for the Lok Sabha Speaker. The meeting is scheduled for 8 p.m. at Kharge's residence in Delhi, where the leaders are expected to discuss the upcoming speaker election on June 26. The NDA, which commands 293 MPs, a 543-member Lok Sabha, holds a clear majority, while the opposition India bloc comprises 234 MPs. Efforts by the BJP's top leadership to reach the consensus on the Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha came to naught when India bloc decided to nominate 8-time Member Parliament K. Suresh for the post. His nomination followed the filing of a nomination by BJP's Kota MP Om Birla for the same position. Birla previously served as the Speaker in 17th Lok Sabha. This will be the first time that elections are held for the Speaker's post of the lower house, as traditionally the Lok Sabha Speaker and Deputy Speaker have been elected by the consensus between the ruling party and the opposition. Earlier, the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that they have informed Rajnath Singh that the opposition is prepared to support the NDA's candidate of Lok Sabha Speaker on the condition that if the Deputy Speaker position is offered to the opposition. Speaking to the media on Tuesday, Rahul Gandhi said that we have said to Rajnath Singh that we will support their speaker candidate, but the convention in the post of a deputy speaker is given to the opposition. Further elaborating on the discussion between Rajnath Singh and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi also criticized the treatment of opposition leaders, alleging disrespect. Today, it is written in the newspaper that PM Modi has said that opposition should cooperate with the government constructively. Rajnath Singh called Mallikarjun Kharge and asked him to extend support to the speaker. The entire opposition said that we would support the NDA candidate, but only on a condition that if the deputy speaker post is offered to the opposition. Congress MP K.C. Venugopal emphasized that the opposition is prepared to unanimously support the speaker candidate suggested by the NDA, provided they receive the deputy speaker position. We are still waiting. If they are ready to give the deputy speaker post, we are ready to elect the NDA's candidate unanimously. Yesterday, PM Modi talked about consensus for the smooth functioning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We are ready to support the speaker suggested by the government side, provided they should also honor the opposition. We have a witness for the last few years that the speakers will be from the government side and the deputy speaker from the opposition. When UPA was in power, we gave the deputy speaker to NDA for 10 years. The convention is so in the Lok Sabha that the deputy speaker of the Lok Sabha is given to the opposition, said K.C. Venugopal while briefing the media. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.